Hi all, welcome back to my channel Fabric to Fabulous. I am Kamla. Today I will show you how to create gorgeous earrings in no time using everyday items you already have. Here is what I will be using today. Feel free to substitute with whatever you have on hand. I am using a thick cardboard which is easily available in a stationery shop. You can replace this with MDF as well. I am working with a cotton silk fabric, which is ideal for its beauty and compatibility with fabric glue. Are you guys also interested to learn creating fabric jewelries? Then type in the comment box interested, because shortly I will be starting an online workshop. In this workshop, you will have a personalized guidance on mastering earring creations. Not only that, you will also learn how to sell your final product. This workshop will take you from beginner to business owner. So don't forget to type interested in the comment box. Coming back to this earring video, here I am using some mirror kundans. This will give a rich look to the earrings. You can replace with any kundans which you have at home, and I am using the normal cotton thread to attach some pearls and gungroos for this. These are the noiseless gungroos, and I am also adding some pearls for this, which gives a rich look for the earrings. You can add any other attachments as well. If you have old jhumkas which you are not using it, you can remove it and upcycle it as well. Here I am using the jump rings to attach both of them. I'm using this punching tool. If you don't have it, you can use a big sharp needle to make a hole on the fabric and the cardboard. I'm using the same cloth, backside also, for the back covering. You can replace this with a canvas sheet also. I am doing this earring as a stud. If you want, you can replace with hanging also. This is the final look of the earring. Hope you all like it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.